If you're getting a GoDaddy payment error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest ways to fix it step by step. This usually happens because of a card issue, a billing mismatch, a balance problem, or a payment method that GoDaddy isn't accepting right now. The good news is that most of these errors are easy to solve once you check the right details. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, sign in to your GoDaddy account. You want to make sure you're logged into the correct account before you try anything else, because sometimes the payment error can happen when you're checking out under the wrong profile or using the wrong saved payment method. Once you're signed in, go back and try the payment again carefully. Take your time here and make sure you're entering everything exactly as it should be. If the error shows up again, the next thing to do is check your card details. Start with the card number and make sure there are no missing digits or typing mistakes. Then double check the expiry date, because even one wrong month or year can cause the payment to fail. After that, look at the CVV code on the back of your card and confirm it matches what you entered. Finally, make sure your billing address is correct and matches the address your bank has on file. This part is really important because if the billing details don't match, GoDaddy may reject the payment even if the card itself is valid. If everything looks correct and you're still seeing the error, check whether your card has enough balance available. Sometimes the payment fails simply because there isn't enough money on the card for the full amount, including taxes or renewal charges. Also, if you're using a debit card or a card from a different country, make sure international payments are enabled if that's required by your bank. Some banks block online or international purchases by default, so even a correct payment can still be declined until that setting is turned on. If the card still doesn't work, try a different payment method. You can switch to another card if you have one available, try PayPal if GoDaddy offers it in your region, or use a different bank account or payment option altogether. This is often the fastest way to get past the error when the problem is on the bank side instead of GoDaddy's side. If you're using a saved payment method, you may also want to remove it and re-enter it fresh, just in case there's a hidden issue with the stored details. And if none of that works, wait a little while and try again later, because sometimes temporary bank verification issues or platform glitches can trigger a payment error that clears up on its own. So to quickly recap, sign into your GoDaddy account, try the payment again, check your card number, expiry date, CVV, and billing address. Make sure your card has enough balance and international payments are enabled if needed, and then switch to another payment method if necessary. That's the fastest way to fix most GoDaddy payment errors without wasting time. If this video helped you, please hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.